Alright, so Aaron and Seth are going to do the cinnamon challenge.
Oh, I gotta stop doing that. Yeah, I think that's enough. Look at that.
You guys ready?
No. Should I just take the top off?
Yeah. Are you supposed to put that much?
Yeah. Well, if we're not, we are.
That's a lot.
I think I have more than you.
Yeah, I think it's pretty much even.
Okay.
And that looks even to me.
Oh! Just hold over your bowl when you pick it up. Are you ready?
Yep.
I'm nervous.
Me too.
Me too, I have to watch this.
I want to start. Alright, get your hand ready.
Alright, I'll say go.
Wait, no, I'm not ready.
On your mark. Get set.
Wait, how should we do this? Should we like, just put our mouth over and like scrape it
No.
off or just
No, like,
pour it?
dump it in your mouth.
I'm not gonna be able to do this.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Now swallow it. Oh, Seth's throwing up. You okay, buddy? You okay in here? Turn on the light. Oh. Are you okay? Was it hard, Seth? Seth threw up, I think.
Oh, it's stuck in my mouth.
You okay?
I'm never doing that again.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. I'm gagging. I'm gagging right now.
You throw up too?
Yeah, like twice. 3 times.
Oh, yeah.
See yours. Did you throw up?
I didn't rinse to death.
Did you guys eat all the cinnamon? Oh no, it's all over the place. Aaron, half of yours is in the bowl and around it. I think Seth ate more. Plus a little bit of his spit in the bowl.